So recently I've been restoring this shed. I've had it about 15 years and it's been badly neglected. So don't know whether you might have seen it, but I did another video on using this Bedeck barn paint. And you can't fault it, it's lovely stuff, goes on easy, soaks right in. It's a water-based paint. It's had a mist coat where you water it really down and then you do 2 further coats, and it should last for about 7 years. And then all you do when you come back to it is give it a quick wipe down. It's no sanding, you just go back over it. Anyway, moving on, the roof, that was a major concern of mine because it was a little few damp patches in places. I got some stuff out of Screwfix to patch up the cracks, and where the nails went through the felt, it was failing. I covered that with the paint with fibres in Evercryl. The next job was the roof, and I'd seen on YouTube a chap he professed to use pond liners. He had a massive great pergola, flat roof pergola, and he went to Bradshaws Direct, and brilliant company. This is the liner that I bought. It's brown on one side and black on the other, and it's very, very thick. So it's UV rated as well, so should be all right. Yeah, they're a brilliant company, because I'll tell you why. I ordered this at the end of last year and it came sort of like November, December time, and I didn't open the package. I just left it in our pergola. When I went to use it, it wasn't the right thing. It was actually a tarp came, and that was just a mix-up in their ordering. But I phoned them straight up and they looked after me 100%. The next day I had the correct thing. You know, they didn't have to do that because it was such a long time ago, but they honoured it, and yeah, brilliant company to order from. And they said keep the tarp, so the tarp was 6x5. Yeah, brilliant company. I wouldn't hesitate to use them again. Yeah, it's a pond liner and it's very hard wearing, so that's what I did. Ordered it, massive great sheet it was, 6x5 I ordered, so I could get 2 out of those. That comes with a felt as well, so you put this felt all over your roof, and it's sort of easy to tack that down with me stapler all round. And then we cut it in the garden on the lawn, so you could get the measurements correctly. Fold it back up the ladder in the middle, and opened it all out. Then I went round stapling it with these little cardboard patches. Luckily enough there's no wind, so I'm going to get the fascia boards on. As it happened, I was on my own, so it was difficult to film, but I did manage to get the bare gist of what I was doing. It was got to be on time lapse, I'm afraid. If it does fail, I shall go for the EPDM roof, as I was going to do anyway. But until then, I'm going to get a gutter as well, so maybe a little video on that as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've got any comments or helpful tips that you use, I'm always welcome to ideas. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thank you.